Hello friends, welcome to Capsavi CRM. Today we will learn how to use the function called timesheet. Timesheet is a very important tool to keep track on your team performance or to keep track on whether the customers are getting full services as per the desired timeline, as per the desired deliverables. So we'll see how to use that function in terms of your day-to-day progress, day-to-day watching of the team members. It's very simple function. Just go to timesheet. Now when you go to timesheet, this dashboard will appear. If it is today's timesheet, everything will come directly on the timesheet. What is the performance of all the team members today? Now because there is no data available, we'll see what are the options available. There is a this month log time, this last month, this week, last week, and the particular period. That means if you want to see this month performance, just select this month performance. If you want to see any particular team member, that means either Roshni or Hemant Shah, you can select. So let us say Hemant Shah. So Hemant Shah, this particular month, what was the performance? You just say apply. So this will appear. So this month he has worked only for 3 hours. Which 3 hours? On the 14th of January, 14th of July, he has worked for 3 hours. That's all. Which 3 hours? 1 hour at on the 14th, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. and 4 p.m. to which particular task he has done, we will see that. Similarly, this or last month, if you want to see, and for all the staff member, just say apply. That means this is the full performance of all the staff member. So on the June 1st, 10 hours people worked. On the June 2nd, July, this month, this many people worked, this many number of hours and all. Now how to use that? What it gives you the information? That means first is the overall working. That means on this particular month is the holiday, maybe because of Sunday, so people have not worked. On this particular day, maybe some holiday or maybe some paid holiday, so they have not got anything. Now if you want to see this particular day on the 12th, what happened, so you can select a particular period as 12th. So 12th June you have selected, so 12th June, and here also 12th June, and say apply. So now on 12th June, total 17 hours work was happened, and who has worked? Roshni and Hemant. This is the total working. Now if you want to see only Hemant, you can just select Hemant and say apply. So only Hemant will appear here. What work he has done? That means he has worked on existing marketing work done by company. Which particular client? It is related to railway publicity as a project, and Meghna Publicity Private Limited as a company. That means for this particular company, this particular project, he has worked on this task. This is the total summary. Now if you want to see task wise, or if you want to see full period, we'll see full period also, so that it gives a better clarity. So 1st June to 31st of July, or maybe 30th 31st of July. So everything will now come as a total projects. So these are the total working that has happened. Now how to check particular task wise? So just group by task. So this is the task wise. So there are total 19 tasks where people have worked. So create a task, and if you want to see which particular task was worked more, so that means existing marketing work done by company, 109 hours was worked. Who has worked on that? We can see that also. If you click here, if you see timesheet, these are the people that who have worked. So Hemant Sharma has worked on this particular thing. Now if you see all 9 hours, 8 hours, everything he has worked separately each date, and that is how you come to know what went in when you are working on Meghna Publicity Private Limited on railway publicity project. So that project was given to you, and your team member Hemant Sharma was working on this particular project, and he has delivered what was required. This is how you can keep track on the project or the track on the working. Similarly, if you want to see a particular product period, particular project, particular member, you can do all those things. And project wise also you can see the progress. Now if you want to see, here notes is not available, but here note is available. That means you should speak to your person or member or the staff member that they should write when they are logging into the timesheet. How to do the timesheet part, that we have covered in the separate video. So we are discussing here how to use the timesheet. So timesheet is a tool where you are getting to know what are the projects that they have worked on, what are the companies they have worked on. If you click here, it will now change. So Beam solution, so related to company So Meghna Publicity, these many number of hours they have worked on. For this particular task, accounting, so many number of hours have been gone into. So this is how you can keep track on everything. And if you want to see a particular person's performance, you just click on the particular performance name of the person, everything will be visible here. So timesheet and all, this month timesheet, this is what they have worked, or last month, this is what they have worked. This is last month. So a particular person, Roshni, what is the outcome that they are having, everything is visible here. Go back to your timesheet. So let us say last month how Hemant Sharma performed, it is visible here. So this is Hemant Sharma's working. He has worked on these many projects, these many tasks. And if you want to see projects also, let us say marketing or railway project, so that means railway project will come here. So railway project. Now for railway project, these many number of hours he has spent. So total he has put 109 hours. And suppose Hemant Sharma, just for example, Meghna Publicity railway projects, they have given you 10,000 rupees as a publicity charges. That means 10,000 rupees worth of inputs we should give to them. But your person has worked 109 hours, and suppose his average cost per hour is, let us say, 100 rupees or 500 rupees. That means 500 into 100. That means 50,000 rupees worth of amount of work that he has spent on this particular project. Whereas the inflow is just 10,000 rupees. That means your team is putting in more efforts, but the client is not giving you that much money. That is how you can analyze the entire thing, whether it is giving me cost benefit analysis. This is just a sample project, but similarly you can create your own working. Now the second aspect is everyday information is available. You can just download everything, you just export in the Excel sheet and send it to your HR so that they can calculate salary as per their work input. So that if he has not worked on this particular day, that means he was absent. So your HR will come to know there was no holiday, but still he has not worked, and that is how there is an absent mark. So that is how this is the useful tool for your staff performance, productivity, and related to your customer, whether you are getting full value out of that customer as per the amount of work put in by your team member. Hope this was a good tool and you have understood it well. Thank you very much for your attention. We'll see you some other modules next time. Thank you.